told him we're on my mode, which pretty much just means track mode. That's how I have it set up.
That's pretty good.
We'll do a pull on my mode and we'll do a pull on track mode.
Is that traction on or off?
That's off.
That's off?
I always drive with it off.
Felt planted. Really, really planted.
Yeah.
Not bad. This thing's pretty quick. I'm not gonna lie.
Just the resonator delete.
What? Out of the factory, these are like what? 10 more?
20
more?
And a GT. So right now you're on drag mode.
So which one's better, I guess?
For racing, like actually straight racing, of course drag mode because it just stiffens the rear up.
Yeah.
But only for like low speed launches or dead stops. Other than that, track mode.
Yeah, this thing has so many different options. This thing's badass, not gonna lie.
A lot of people prefer that, like see it better. I like old school. What the fuck is that? That's called clutch engage.
That's never happened on a third though.
Oh yeah.
I anticipated from the first to second, and I was like, oh, there's nothing cool.
I was like, oh, he's still turning. He's gonna get it right now.
That bump right there, I almost lost it on mine too.
Oh really?
I hit that bump.
Whoop! Slide.
Yeah, I just fucking started swerving. I'm like, no.
Like no. We're good.
This is where like we test drive the cars. You saw the exhaust kick out. They tried to speed up.
I'm gonna get scared.
Gonna happen eventually.
Experience my pain.
Yeah, put this trumpet.
Look at me in it. Might as well, you already get busted. So we got the cop right there. We're gonna go ahead and get the run in with the Bullitt just to get out of the way, since we beat him in the Shelby GT500. This one's supposed to be a little bit slower, so Shouldn't be really much of a challenge, but I was tuned higher beforehand when I raced him on the Shelby GT500, so we'll see what happens. 60. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is the Bullitt. He is planning some big plans for that Bullitt, so we'll go ahead and get a rerun. This was the before, and hopefully we get a little bit of an after once he's all set up in the new setup. And then I should have a good new setup as well, so stay tuned for that. So without further ado, that's where we're gonna go ahead and end the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of the runs, getting a little loose on that one with the magnetic suspension. It felt crazy, honestly, compared to this one. Obviously, newer technology. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.